In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken belt buckle prong. I will be replacing the part with an old tent stake, cutting it down to a more manageable size. To match the existing prong, I will be bending the metal using a pair of scrolling tongs and my vise. Now the prong is locked in and shouldn't fall off of the bar. To remove the rust and make the finish match, I take it to the wire wheel. You shouldn't wear gloves while using a bench grinder, but I'm stupid and I don't follow safety requirements as much as I should. Now that the buckle is all finished, I need to attach it back to the belt. This one was sewn together, so I'll need to grab a needle and thread. It's all done and ready to be worn. If you're interested in DIY, forging, or knife making, check out the channel and see if it's worth subscribing. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.